Hello everyone, welcome you all to ATM Creations channel. In this video, we will paint all these 6 diyas as beautifully as possible. Let's get started. I'm painting the base with antique gold. This is metallic color, light green. This is antique gold again. The first pair is over. We'll move on to the second one now. In the second pair, I'll paint the antique gold color first. I'm going to paint this in orange. This is pearl metallic orange. The second pair is done too. We'll move on to the third one now. Applying antique gold to the sides. I'm applying metallic color light violet. The third pair is over too. I'm sure all of you loved all these diyas that we painted. Thank you for watching this video.